In this tutorial, we learn to generate serial numbers from an external file. Before we begin, it is strongly recommended that you review our basic serial number tutorial before beginning this lesson. Okay, let's begin. Serial numbers can be imported from external files having file types of ASCII with TXT as a file extension, or as an Excel file type XLS. The text file format is fairly straightforward. We've created a simple text file on the desktop made up of some basic names. Starting with a new job file, left-click the Serial Number tool, and then left-click within the drawing space. We see the Serial Number tab is now available in the Properties sheet. Select that tab and then left-click the File button. Now we must choose the file to link to our serial number. Left-click the Select button and a new window opens. Select the Browse button, and then in the lower right-hand corner, choose the ASCII file type. Then navigate to the folder where your text file is located. Select the file and left-click the OK button. Now we see the first name from our file. In this case, it is Roger. We have 4 names in our file for this example. Clicking the Increment button allows us to step throughout the names in the file, line by line. Observe that when we get to the 5th line, since there isn't one in our file, we see an empty text field in the job. There isn't a meted currently to indicate that the field is blank or that you are at the end of your list. Be aware of this. Now, if we try and import an Excel file, we find that there are more options available to use. For example, if you are populating multiple variable text fields, the Excel file works very well. Let's try this out. Well, first create some static text fields to represent the labels on a tag. Here we'll use type, name, machine, and serial number. Now create a serial number entity as we did earlier and select File, then Select. When the new window opens, select Browse, then type as Excel file. Navigate to the file you intend to link and observe that the serial number import screen is a bit different from the basic text file import screen. We see a preview of the Excel file that was linked to. Now be aware the first line is ignored as a header line. Select the first column and click the OK button. Now, right-click the new serial number entity and select Duplicate. Move this to the appropriate location and press the Select button within the Serial Number Properties sheet. Select the second column and press OK. Do this for the remaining 2 columns. Now we'll use the Job Increment tool located in the toolbar under Mark, then Increment, then Serial Number. Observe the job increment all fields. This ends the tutorial on the external link serial numbers.